Good day, I bid to my respective lecturer, Dr. Karim, and to all my fellow peers. Today, my group members and I will be presenting about our mini project entitled Strategic Information and System Planning at UPM. This mini project scrutinizes the inefficiencies in academic scheduling and data management at UPM. Their current manual processes still causes conflicts, on the other hand, delays, as well as inconsistent data handling. All this will generate to operational efficiency as well as experiences. I will now be explaining the history of UPM. UPM is established in the year 1931 and is the School of Agriculture. It is one of Malaysia's top public research universities. It is now renowned for academic excellence, innovation, and nation building efforts. UPM offers programs in science and technology, engineering, agriculture and food science, as well as social science. Here are the visions and strategic goals of UPM in the year 2021 to the year 2025. They aspire to be a smart, sustainable, and globally reputable university. Here are the six key thrusts that UPM aspire to achieve for their strategic plan. The first one is sustainable governance, then we have operational excellence, on the other hand, digital transformation. Next, we have global visibility and also holistic student development, and last but not least, impactful research and innovation. Here are the current administrative challenges that UPM still uses. The first one is fragmented system across faculties. Then we have manual processes for classes schedules, academic records, as well as updates. All this leads to redundant work, communication delays, and inconsistent academic data, and will also affect the students' experiences and user experiences to deteriorate.
Next are problem statement and project objectives. Let's start with problem statement first. UPM faces challenges managing strategic information across departments due to non-centralized systems, causing delays, repeated tasks, and lack of real-time updates. This hinders effective planning and digital transformation, increasing manual work and costs. So what are we trying to achieve? Let's go to our objective. First, we want to identify the inefficiencies in the current scheduling and data management processes. Second, we want to plan to develop a centralized and automated system that can handle scheduling and academic records more efficiently. Third, this new system will be aligned with UPM strategic goals using enterprise architecture frameworks to ensure long-term value. And finally, we aim to improve access to real-time academic information, allowing staff and students to make quicker and more informed decisions. In summary, our project addresses a major challenge, which is how to manage academic information strategically and efficiently in a digital age. Next, why does this project matter? It directly supports UPM's mission to become a smart, sustainable, and globally recognized university. By streamlining academic operations, we are reducing manual work and improving accuracy. Our project also ensures that IT systems are aligned with UPM's strategic vision, especially in the areas of operational excellence and digital transformation, which are two of UPM's key strategic thrusts. More importantly, we are improving how decisions are made by enabling access to real-time academic data, stakeholders, and can act faster and better information. In short, our solution is not just a technical upgrade. It's a strategic step forward to help UPM lead the way in efficient and data-driven academic management.
Hi, I'm Farah. I'll be presenting the proposed Strategic Information System, SIS. For the proposed Strategic Information System, there will be three main points, which is a centralized digital platforms, support strategic goals and benefits. For the centralized digital platform, it automates scheduling and administrative tasks, enhances data accuracy and consistency, and basically provides real-time, role-based access for students, staff, and stakeholders. Second, for the support strategic goals, it basically drives digital transformation across all departments. It also improves quality and efficiency of services, basically encourage paperless, eco-friendly operations. It also aligns with enterprise architecture, EA, principles. And the key benefits is basically to reduce manual workloads and repetitive tasks, to eliminate data duplications, to enable faster and data-driven decision-making, and the last one is to basically support UPM long-term digital growth and sustainability goals. Strategic tools and frameworks used. There are vision, mission, and objectives, which align with UPM's vision to be internationally reputable. This supports the missions of advancing knowledge and contributing to nation building. The second one will be Balanced Scorecard, BSC, which is connected to SIS objectives to UPM's strategic priorities, which addresses 4 key perspectives: financial, customer, internal process, and learning growth. For enterprise architecture, EA tools, it is mapped with current and future university systems to ensure system integration and strategic alignment. For the SWOT analysis, it identifies strengths, weaknesses, opportunity, and threats to refine the system solution. Basically, identify external opportunities and threats, which use insights to shape a more resilient and effective system solution.
I will now be presenting the vision, mission, and objectives diagramming tool. So the UPM's vision is to create a smart and efficient uni system through centralized academic scheduling. For example, one unified system to view class schedules, lab sessions, as well as timetables for all faculties. And the mission is to create a real-time integrated SIS for UPM that automate academic tasks and improve data accuracy. For this example, we have automatic clash detection in class schedules to avoid timetable conflicts for all students. And then we have principles where we have data transparency and accuracy, where students and lecturers see the same updated schedule on Putra Blast, which is their platform. And then we have process automation and integration, which can help reduce manual work and auto-update teaching materials. And then we have collaborative governance, where students and lecturers can collaborate simultaneously in the portal. We have digital academic governance, efficient and integrated scheduling, smart data management and analytics, seamless information access sharing. All this is to eliminate efficiencies in academic schedules and information management and support UPM's strategic goal on digital transformation, where we can see their goal from the year 2021 to the year 2025, and also to boost teamwork and improve info sharing.
Next is Vision and Strategy, which is BSC. The first one will be Learning and Growth, which is to achieve our vision, how will we sustain our ability to change and improve. Our objective is to enhance staff digital competencies, foster a culture of continuous improvement, and improve IT infrastructure knowledge. The initiatives is basically to conduct a comprehensive SIS training program, to implement a suggestion system for staff, and to organize quarterly IT workshops. The first target, which is to enhance staff digital competency, is to have 90% within 12 months. The measure will be percentage of staff trained in SIS usage. The second one, which is to foster a culture of continuous improvement, our target is 50 per semester, which is the number of process improvement suggestion submitted. The third one, which is to improve IT infrastructure knowledge, is 4 per year. The 4 is number of IT workshop conducted. The second table is internal business perspective, which is to satisfy our stakeholders and customers. Where must we excel in our business processes? There are 3 objectives, which is streamline scheduling processes, improve data accuracy and consistency, and enhance interdepartmental communication. Our initiatives is to automate scheduling through SIS, to implement data validation protocols, and to establish regular coordination meetings. Our target for each of them is 30% reduction, which is time taken to finalize academic schedules, 70% reduction, number of data discrepancies reported, And the last one, monthly meetings for frequencies of cross-departmental meetings. The third table is financial perspective, which is to succeed financially, how should we appear to our shareholders? Our objective, the first one will be reduce operational cost, which is to, our initiatives is to digitize administrative processes via SIS. The target is to have 20% reduction for annual administrative expenses. Second one is optimize resources allocation. Initiatives is to implement budget tracking through SIS. The target is to maintain within 5% of the budget variance in academic departments. Third one, which is increased return on IT investment. Initiatives will be monitor and evaluate SIS performance and metrics. Target will be positive ROI within 2 years. The measures is basically 2 years on the SIS implementation. The last one is customer perspective, which is to achieve our vision, how should we appear to our customers? The objective is to increase student satisfaction with scheduling, to launch basically a user-friendly SIS interface. Our target is to have 85 satisfaction rate for the measure of student satisfaction survey score. Second one is reduce students' complaint on scheduling issues, to basically implement a real-time scheduling updates. Target is to get 50% reduction annually. Measures will be the number of complaints received. Third one will be enhance faculty satisfaction with data access. Initiatives will be provide training and support for SIS usage. Our target is to have 80% satisfaction rate, and basically it is measured by the faculty satisfaction survey score.
Next, I'll be presenting the SWOT analysis for the Centralized System Initiative at UPM, which evaluates its strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. Let's begin with the strengths. This centralized system significantly reduces redundancy and manual workload, streamlining operations across departments. With real-time data access, it enhances our decision-making and responsiveness. Moreover, it promotes transparency and collaboration among faculties, supporting our shift toward paperless operations and broader sustainability. Moving on to the weaknesses, one of the main challenges in the high initial cost is the high initial cost of development and implementation. There is also potential resistance from staff, especially due to changes in their workflow. On top of that, training is essential as users will need to develop new skills, and there may be technical issues during the migration to a cloud-based infrastructure. Now let's look at the opportunities. This system can elevate UPM's reputation globally as a smart university. It opens the door to predictive analytics and better policy making. It also creates space for digital innovation in our academic services and improves both student experience and administrative efficiency. Finally, we consider the threats. There are data security and privacy concerns with cloud-based platforms. Delays in project approval or funding could hinder progress. Additionally, rapid technological changes may demand frequent system updates, and if change management is not handled well, it could lead to low adoption rates. In conclusion, while the systems offer strong advantages and exciting opportunities, we must strategically manage the weaknesses and threats to ensure successful implementation.
These are the key intelligence modules that automate and enhance decision making. The first one is academic scheduling intelligence, which is to optimize class and exam timetables efficiently. For example, automatically finds the best time slot for classes and exams so students and lecturers don't have overlapping schedules. The second one is studio records intelligence, to centralizes all student academic data for easy access and management. For example, stores all student grades, attendance, and course history in one place. Next is faculty resource intelligence, to track teaching workloads and lecturer availability. The fourth one is course demand forecasting, which is to help to predict course enrollment to support planning. And the number 5 is strategic reporting intelligence that will provide performance, insight, and analytics for strategic decision. For example, provides reports like which faculty has the highest student success rate to help in making academic policy decisions. And the last one is student information system dashboard, which is will display real-time academic metrics and summaries. Now we move on to core, which is basic operational function. This module support daily tasks across departments like managing courses, faculties, students, timetables, classrooms, resources, and registration. And university domain areas, which is department-specific analytics. This provide deeper insight for targeted improvement. And the first one is student performance analytics, which is to track student grades and learning patterns. And the second one is faculty workload analytics, helps improve course planning and teaching efficiency. And the third one is academic planning analytics to monitor administrative and teaching responsibility. Next is curriculum optimization analytics to evaluate how well academic processes perform. And next is operational efficiency analytics to support planning and forecasting strategies. And the last one is strategic goal alignment analytics to ensure the system supports UPM's missions and goals. And the last one is enablers. These are the data infrastructure and transformation tools that support all other layers. The first one is academic data, which is contains academic definition and team structures. Next is scheduling data models, provide structure for creating effective schedules. And next is timetable and report templates to speed up reporting with ready-made formats. Next is real-time analytics engine to deliver up-to-date insight instantly. And the last one is data transformation and integration tools to connect and prepare data across systems for unified analysis.
Lastly, I'll be explaining about the business model canvas that we have for UPM strategic planning. The first one is key partners, where we have UPM management, UPM academic departments like FSKTM, FPMK, and also FPAS, where this is all their faculties. And we have alumni and student associations, as well as industry partners like MARDI and Petronas for research collaboration. Next, we have key activities, where we would like to analyze current strategic plans, gather and evaluate institutional data, and also engage stakeholders for input. For gather and evaluate institutional data, we can evaluate student performance and also research output. Then we have customer segments, where we have UPM management and board of directors, academic staffs including lecturers and staff and researchers, and also government to monitor performance like MOHE for performance monitoring. Then we have value propositions for clear roadmap for UPM's future, data-driven strategic objectives, as well as better decision making and accountability. Next, we have customer relationships, where we have stakeholders consultations like town hall meetings with lecturers and students, as well as public announcements, where we will have new strategic goals on UPM website as well as portal. Then we have channels, where we have strategic planning reports, UPM's internal portal, university Senate meeting, and also annual review publications. Next, we have cost structure, where we include strategic planning team costs, communication engagement sessions, research and data analysis tools, as well as system for tracking KPIs using BI dashboard. Then we have revenue streams, where we focus on non-profit and also indirect revenue via increased research grants, and also higher student enrollment, and also improved rankings also leads to more funding. For increased research grants is due to better planning and results, and for higher student enrollment is due to improved uni reputation. This is all from me. Thank you very much.
Now we move to the part of group member roles and contribution. The first one is Farah Damia as the main point of contact for the group. She also took charge of identifying the core problem like communicating with stakeholders and decision makers. She also helped to define the main business challenges that the system aims to solve. Next is Siti Shazrinda. She focused on the enterprise architecture or EA aspect of the system. She also explained the importance of the system from a strategy IT planning perspective. And she also contributed to research ensuring the system aligns with long-term digital goals and architecture frameworks. The last is Shahinda and Han Weijing. They worked on the visual and conceptual design of the project. They also created diagrams and visual using frameworks such as vision and mission statement, balance scorecard, which is BSC, enterprise architecture diagrams, EA, and SWOT analysis. To conclude, our proposed system aims to enhance UPM's efficiency, speed up decision-making processes, and actively support the university's digital transformation goals. The system focuses on institutional governance, financial sustainability, green campus practices. So, the system will strengthen UPM's position as a leading international university by empowering strategic and effective information management across all levels. That's all from me. Thank you.